fabulous executive home in Canada? Hi, I'm Jeff McGowan, and I'd like to welcome you to 43 Bon Echo Crescent. This beautiful 3-bedroom plus loft is located on a quiet crescent just across from NCC Woodlands, has vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, main floor den, and a gorgeous kitchen with granite countertops. Come on in and have a look. I hope you enjoyed your visit to 43 Bon Echo Crescent. If you're impressed and you'd like to get further information or perhaps to book a private showing, please contact me. This one's not going to last long. I look forward to hearing from you soon.